Hello. Today I show you the new NFT minting bot made by CRYPTOJEY.com. Let's start. Go to CRYPTOJEY.com and press download button. Wait when downloading process will be finished. Extract zip archive in any folder on your PC. If program is not running, you need to turn off your antivirus and Windows Defender. Now you can start launcher. In program, press on Solana logotype and program is start loading. Your browser with your Phantom wallet need to be opened when program is working. Program is open. There you can see mint URL field, how much NFT you want to mint, and threads. Go to Magic Eden, connect your wallet, and choose which NFT you want to mint. If public mint is not open, you can also run the program and program wait for start of mint process and automatically start minting when it will be available. I show you how it works. For example, let's take this NFT. You can see public mint is not available. Put URL in the first field of program, type how much NFT you need and choose how much threads you want to start. Now program automatically mint this NFT when public minting will be available. Okay, I don't wait for start, so I just put in the program NFT which mint is available now. For example, let's take these moons. Put information in all fields and press start. You can see NFT mint is successful. Let's check it. This program can mint so fast. You can mint rare NFTs collections easy and make money on this. Balance is changed and in my collections now I have these NFT. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe on the channel. All links you can find in the description. Have a good day.